My name is Andrea Chappie. I'm the Director of Strategy and Innovation here at Systemware. Today, our topic will focus on Systemware's Intelligent Content Network. Here today to walk through connecting the dots is Bob Minosky, one of Systemware's product gurus. Bob?
Thank you, Andrea, and welcome to those of you on today's Power Break. In a perfect world, all of your necessary content would be in one centralized location rather than siloed throughout your organization. However, due to many factors, including mergers, acquisitions, and maybe even individual departments implementing their own content solutions, that would not always be perfect. In today's Power Break, we'll touch on a few things, including using Systemware's Content Cloud to connect to or access your information wherever it is, and also operate seamlessly between public, private, or on-site infrastructure, including your third-party and legacy applications. No two organizations are identical or have the same needs when it comes to content-related tasks and processes. Concentrating our efforts on content-related needs for some of the world's largest companies spanning a variety of industries such as financial services, insurance, retail, and healthcare, we at Systemware have grown to respect those things that make an organization's information landscape complex and unique, and we've focused our development efforts on creating a solution flexible and open enough to meet those unique needs. Systemware's Content Cloud is our on-premise, hybrid, or hosted solution for managing your complex business needs in order to empower your digital ecosystem, or the channels and connections that connect the dots across your firewalls and systems to empower people and enterprises with the information at the right time and in the right context. So wouldn't it be nice to have a solution whose design focuses on empowering your digital ecosystem? And what if that intelligent content network were not only capable of delivering content stored natively in the Systemware solution, but was also able to provide visibility into other legacy systems and silos of information throughout your organization? That's one of the many capabilities of Systemware's Content Cloud. We refer to this capability as Recon, which provides the ability to reconnect business users to the required digital content, no matter where it exists in your organization. Systemware and our solutions are proactively responsive to our customers' needs. Much of the input we receive from our product direction comes directly from our customer base, including some of the largest companies in the world with some of the most complex content-related needs. Systemware Recon allows your organization to identify, then connect to, and or migrate and control those information assets throughout your organization. We hear from our customers about their struggles with managing and controlling their information assets. One organization might be looking to get a handle on that infamous P drive. Another may struggle with having information across many systems distributed throughout their organization, while another may need a better way to control their SharePoint implementation. It's highly likely that many organizations, including your own, might have all of these listed needs, and then some, and are looking for a solution to the problem in order to move them forward more efficiently. There are a variety of reasons why we might be called upon to help our customers in regards to reconnecting their information assets. Starting in the top left is the need for optimized consolidation. Companies are being held hostage or locked in from historic legacy software solutions on multiple platforms that, while sometimes sufficient, may not effectively meet those organizations' needs, both in features or economics. It costs a lot to support many multiple systems doing similar things. Systemware's flexible infrastructure provides companies with an always available intelligent content network that is reliable, scalable, and equally as important, usable. Our customers, more often than not, also have the need to integrate with third-party applications, not just for pulling content from those applications, but also for delivering content to those applications, such as a CRM, ERP, or customer portal. Our shared services or APIs enable both types of needs. The user experience is another important aspect of our customers' needs. They want one place to go to access all of the information needed, but also allowing for the individualization of the user experience. For example, someone in human resources may require or desire a different user experience than, say, someone in accounts payable. Lastly, the bubble in the bottom right speaks of that intelligent layer that exists on top of your content archives, providing for the seamless integration as well as a full audit trail and activity reporting. This graphic that you're seeing now provides a visual revealing of how Systemware Recon sits on top of and provides visibility into your various content silos, legacy systems, and archives. The connectors you see are created using our proven methodology we've used over the years for gleaning information from or connecting to third-party and legacy applications. Those listed are merely examples of systems we've worked with in the past and not an exhaustive list of the possibilities. Systemware also has several connectors that will be coming soon, including cloud-based, social media, and other information management system connectors. Keep an eye out for those. An end user requesting content would most often be totally oblivious to the inner workings of Recon, or those things represented above the blue Recon job mission box in the diagram you're seeing. The user simply submits the request for the content he or she needs, and Recon, through its dynamic triggers, has visibility into the connected silos of information. Keep in mind that third-party content can either be left in place or migrated to Systemware Content Cloud. The bidirectional interoperability mentioned refers not only to our Open Application Programming Interface, or API, that can push or pull information, but also our ability to access other applications' APIs, whether they conform to the industry standard CMS or not. For example, ODWEC for Content Manager on Demand. This a little differently, the diagram you're seeing now depicts at a high level how Recon performs its mission of providing content from various information assets or document management archives within your organization. The key piece in the diagram is the middle abstraction tier. All API requests coming in from the web front end or top box in the diagram are identical, no matter what system Recon is connected to. A search or a retrieve request will be submitted the same, no matter what backend systems are being interrogated. It's the Recon connector's job then to take that request and translate it into requests for the various information stores being interrogated. The abstraction tier then returns the results in the desired format, such as PDF, perhaps being translated first from another format or formats. We understand that in some organizations, multiple enterprise solutions will exist and must integrate and play nice with one another. In other instances, you might be looking to migrate or consolidate information from multiple platforms into one. A few slides back, I spoke of this optimized consolidation. We have a variety of ways to deal with this consolidated content, dictated by the needs of our customers, as well as the details of the legacy system. The top bullet you're seeing, or existing media example, allows us to access content directly from the legacy system's archives, allowing for the decommissioning of that legacy system, saving both time and money, and providing for a very speedy conversion. The second bullet point is the opposite extreme: move everything. This is a good option when you're looking to modernize your infrastructure, have to get rid of hardware where the legacy archives are stored, and have all of that system's content stored in and managed by Systemware Content Cloud. Obviously, a move everything plan would take more resources up front, and many times only a small percentage of that content would ever be accessed ever again. For those situations, we have a third hybrid or ad hoc option that allows you to only migrate on an as-needed basis at the time a user requests the information. Once requested, the information is pulled from the legacy system's archives and then restored back into Systemware Content Cloud. Here are a few of our strengths that I'd like to leave you with today, two of which we hit upon in today's Power Break. The first is streamlining the information landscape, or allowing our customers to consolidate and modernize while providing a more efficient and reliable solution to their user community. Additionally, Recon's flexible connectors provide a standard approach for finding and retrieving electronic content, no matter where it exists in your organization. Join us for future Power Breaks to learn how Systemware addresses and individualizes the user experience, interoperability through blended and hybrid deployments, and how we can automate tasks in order to improve the way you work. This concludes today's presentation. Thank you so much for taking a break from your day to join us.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you to everyone who has joined today. Please feel free to email us at successteam@systemware.com with any questions or to learn more about Systemware's Intelligent Content Network. And I hope to see you at our next Power Break, 5 must-haves in your information strategy. Thank you.